Phil Town boils rule number 1 down to one practical idea: don't lose money, which really means invest with certainty. That certainty comes from a simple formula: buy a wonderful business at an attractive price. If you can do that repeatedly, you'll be successful. Town gives us a 4-step recipe that is easy to remember and even easier to follow once you learn the tools. 1. Find a wonderful business. 2. Know what it's worth. 3. Buy it at 50% off, that is, with a big margin of safety. 4. Repeat until very rich. He drives a few home truths with plain examples. Price is not always equal to value. Think of buying a car. You know roughly what it's worth before you walk in. If you overpay for a Mercedes that's worth $100K, but you pay $200K, you'll lose money when you sell. The market works the same way for businesses. There's no sticker on a stock, so you must calculate the business's true value and only pay significantly less than that. The heart of Chapter 2 is the 4 M's, simple checkpoints that help you determine whether a company is wonderful and worth owning. Meaning, would you be proud to own the whole business? Do you understand it? Town wants you to be able to imagine that business supporting your family for a long time. If you can't explain what it does in plain words, you probably don't have meaning. Moat. Does the business have protection? A durable competitive advantage that keeps competitors at bay? A wide moat means predictable, dependable profits over time. Predictability is crucial because only predictable businesses can be reasonably valued. Management. Are the people running the company honest and capable? Would they act as though the business were their family's livelihood for the next 100 years? Good managers won't loot the company for short-term gains. They'll invest sensibly and allocate capital with shareholders in mind. Margin of safety. This is the buy a dollar for 50 cents idea. Once you estimate what a business is worth, don't buy it at that price. Buy it with a substantial discount, so even if you're wrong about some inputs, you still won't lose money. Town recommends a generous target. Buy at about half the calculated value. Town is honest about how intimidating these questions can feel to beginners. He emphasizes 2 comforting points. First, technology and inexpensive online tools make the calculations fast and accessible. Second, you don't need dozens of holdings, you only need a few businesses you can confidently understand and monitor. That's much easier than trying to track 100 stocks in a mutual fund. 2 memorable lines from the chapter. Buffett's observation that the idea of buying dollars for 50 cents either clicks instantly or never clicks at all, and the shopping metaphor. A rule number 1 investor is a good shopper. You wait for red tag sales, know the true value of the item, and pounce when the price is right. Finally, Town promises the rest of the book will show you exactly how to answer the 4M questions and compute a company's sticker price. With practice, he says, 4M's thinking becomes automatic. You'll look at companies through the rule number 1 lens and make patient, confident choices that protect capital first and let compounding do the rest.